If you want to learn how to install GOG games on your computer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to get your game installed step by step, even if you're brand new to the GOG app. This is a great method if you already own a game and just want to download it and get playing as fast as possible. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the GOG app on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see your main library and account area. This is where all the games you own are stored, so you can easily access them whenever you want. If you're not signed in yet, log in with the account that owns the game you want to install. Next, look for the Owned Games section and click on it. This will show you a list of all the games that are linked to your GOG account. If you have a lot of games, you may need to scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the one you want faster. Take a moment to make sure you choose the correct game before continuing. Now click on the game you want to install. This opens the games page, where you can see more details and the available download options. From here, look for the install button and click it. GOG will start the installation process and begin preparing the files for download. After that, you'll be asked to select the file location. This is where the game will be saved on your computer, so choose a folder or drive with enough free space. If you want to keep your games organized, you can create a specific folder for GOG installations, or choose a drive with plenty of storage if the game is large. Once you've selected the location, confirm your choice so the app can continue. Finally, click Install. GOG will now download and install the game automatically. Depending on the size of the game and the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few minutes or longer. Once it finishes, the game will be ready to launch straight from the GOG app or from your desktop shortcut if one is created. And that's it. You've successfully installed a GOG game on your computer. It only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is, and now you can repeat the same process for any other game in your library. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.